All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla Inc. And this is a video requested by one of the subscribers by commenting down below. And I am glad to be here to be able to make this video. So just want to shout that out. I appreciate you guys going out of your way and requesting this. And as I do this video, I'm going to explain some things that are very important. I want to say welcome to all my first time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. And to all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts. Let's jump into this chart. So before I talk about how bearish and bullish this chart is, which is at a very close break-even point because the 50-day moving average is slightly below the closing price. Is closed out at 22.15, and I'm not going to speak about the cents. I'm just speaking up to the rounded dollar, and the 50-day moving average is 22.11. Any of the analysis that I do here, you have to divide it by 5 so you can get the adjusted stock split numbers that are going to start being seen tomorrow. Because obviously the stock, however it closed on the market on Friday, is going to be the number divided by 5 to give the stock split, and then everybody will receive 5 shares based on the new price. So any of these numbers I'm going to talk about resistance and support, which is a very broad range because of how hard this dipped. It was in a very bullish area and it came back down and got torn down by the bears, and the bears slightly leveled this off um, right there, very close to the 50-day moving average, and broke through it twice, and then the bulls just went ahead and leveled it off with them. And the tug of war is going to be very interesting tomorrow. But let's talk about the support level. The support level I would pay very close attention to. It's 2186. Again, if you were to divide that number by 5, you'll get the exact number of what the support is based on the new analysis that is going to be the new charts and the new numbers that are going to be seen based on stock split numbers. So divide that number by 5, and if you're in the market um, invested in Tesla, you will see your 5 shares. And if you aren't, you will see from the outside, but you want to know based off of that number how much it's going to be. So 2186 divided by 5 gives you the price that it's going to be at. And you guys will see it tomorrow on the charts. It's going to automatically reprogram to that based off of the 5-to-1 stock split basis. But since we don't see that just yet, because this is how it closed out on Friday, you guys are going to have to divide by 5. I apologize that I can't, and I don't want to start pulling out the calculator and make a mistake or anything like that. But at least I'm here to give you guys the points of reference to know what your resistance levels and support levels are, to pay very close attention to how this plays out tomorrow, right? So the first thing is 2186. That's the support. If that support gets broken through by the bears, this will be on its way down to newer lows. So that's something to keep in mind. If that gets broken through, I'd pay very close attention to how this stock is reacting and how fast is it moving down, because the next support would be down here at 2145. And again, if you divide that number by 5, you'll get what that number is. So you have that window, and once this support is broken, it's very deep into bearish territory, and the bears are dominating it. Now, on the other hand, yes, the bulls are slightly above the 50-day moving average, which is 22.11, and it closed out at 22.15, but they got a long stretch and a long way to go ahead and reach their first resistance level that they need to break through. And it's very important because it's the highest point this stock has reached since the run and ever, and that is 23.17. I'd write that down and I'd divide that by 5, because even if it doesn't break it right now, this is one of the most important resistance levels in the long run, and how this performs to know whether this is going to hit new highs and break through higher resistance levels. So keep that in mind. 23.17 is the resistance level. It needs to be broken through by the bulls. Anything before that is great, the bulls are working their way up and so forth, and they're getting away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction. But until the bulls break through 2317, they can't really state that they're going to have a run or that they're in control fully, because any moment while the bulls are going on their way up and they don't break this resistance level, which is very important right now for the bullish run to continue or even start again, um, the bears can just reappear anywhere in this area and bring this one back down. And their goal is to just break it through the 50-day moving average so they can start to break down through support levels such as 2186 and go from there to newer lows. This is going to be a very, very interesting one. Tomorrow, I'd pay very close attention to it. Again, I believe that the stock split is 5-1. If anybody wants to correct that for me, you guys are more than welcome to. And you just have to divide the numbers that I'm stating by 5, and you should get the accurate numbers based off of what we're seeing here. And tomorrow, I may even be able to do an analysis based off of the new numbers, because these charts will change. Again, this is based off of how it ended on Friday. This is all going to get adjusted to the stock split numbers tomorrow. But I did want to go ahead and give this information out. I believe it's going to be very important to many Tesla investors or people that are interested in getting into Tesla. You guys will definitely benefit from this information. I hope you guys found it informative and helpful. Hit the subscribe button if you did. Don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. Share this with your friends and community so they can receive this insight as well. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.